How disruptive will generative AI be? Despite the excitement from consultants who are very keen to play up the use cases that suggest disruptive potential, and detailed work by academics who, however, focus on specific, narrowly defined productivity measures, we do not have, as of yet, a systematic analysis of the disruptive potential of AI and what are the features that, together with technology, make it disruptive or not. In order to address this challenge, we worked with the Institute of Directors, engaging in 16 workshops of 160 directors, as well as a survey of over 300 directors that helped us understand the qualitative and quantitative features that gives us deeper insight onto what's really happening. What did we find? Firstly, that by the word disruption, we mean two different things. We either mean the possibility of an area being displaced, so that technology means that what you used to be doing, like part of marketing, will no longer need to be done by an organization. Second, being able to find Gen AI as the basis of competitive advantage in changing what it means to be successful in a given sector. As we started peeling the onion further, we also saw that the factors that combine with the technology to drive disruption affect both of them at the same time. There are some areas, those that are regulated and those that are not modular, where you can't really separate out the production process, where we see that Gen AI is going to have a more modest impact, and others where we can expect a much more robust impact. Other factors like proprietary data turn out to be important as well. And our research, by providing a focus on the specific things that combine with technology to affect the disruptive potential, can give guidance both to policymakers who will want to manage the impact of Gen AI and the things that are under their purview, like regulation, but also organizations who want to not only predict what will affect them, but shape the environment that they're engaged. And we hope that this way, our rigor will be able to really drive relevance.